Hey guys, it's Pete from Starboard Bow down here in San Clemente, California, trying to social distance myself from, well, actually not, but I'm trying to stay 6 feet apart from everybody, and it's so crowded that it's kind of hard to do that. As you can see, I'm got the old RV brakes were acting up on the motorhome, so there's a guy in San Clemente that does a really good job of kind of lift and everything for a 20-foot motorhome, so it was easy to bring it here and get it done. The brakes, after about a year of clanking and making some weird clanking noises for almost a year, I finally figured out what it was. The brake pads, I guess, that they initially put in the front were kind of not the proper ones for the motorhome. So the guy says that he will fix them, replace the pads, fix the brakes, and guarantee me that the clanking's going to go away. So every time I put my foot on the brake, the clanking would stop. Every time I went over any bump, anything, small, no matter what it was, it almost sounds like a clanking, cracking noise in the front, left and right side in the front. So, but when I go over those same bumps with the brakes barely on, I would hear nothing. There'd be no thing. So obviously it has to do something with the brakes. So I was able to bring it in, get it fixed, and you have to make sure that you have the proper brakes to brake pads, I should say. I'm sorry, I got distracted because there's a little guy in the bushes over here. See him? He's right there. He's wondering what I'm doing out. Cute little birdie. Sorry, didn't mean to be got off track there, but I thought it was kind of cute. So I'm down here, San Clemente, what they call the Pier Bowl. You've all seen my previous videos on this. I'm getting the motorhome ready to head north up towards Washington, where my son is, and just do something. This coronavirus situation is driving me crazy. I'm one of those guys that I have to be on the road. I have to be always doing something, and I can't go to movies, can't go to do anything like that because it's I'm just on the road. It's just hard to do anything. So I'm just getting motorhome ready, get it cleaned up, make sure brakes are good, make sure the oil change's good, and hit the road. And then I'll update you where I'm going to try and take the coast all the way up, Pacific Coast. I'm going to go around Big Sur, because Big Sur is not very RV friendly up that 46-mile track up those little hills. I did it on the way coming south one time from Northern California. Oh boy, it was a scary trip, but it was very exciting and beautiful, that's for sure. So I'm down here, San Clemente, trying to get the motorhome ready. San Clemente is doing pretty good when it comes to the situation with the Chinese virus. Oops, sorry, I meant the coronavirus. That's not PC to say Chinese virus. And I'm just trying to get everything going. And once I get the motorhome ready, I'll be able to get away from here. But where can you go? What can you do? You're staying in your home, making sure you're safe. Just take care of yourself. Do the same thing you probably do if you're a normal human being, which is, I guess, would be washing your hands and keeping clean, and when you're coughing or you're sneezing, you're covering your mouth. But I guess the coronavirus is deadly. I mean, I'm not an expert medically, but the flu, people are dying left and right, and it's kind of crazy. You got everybody dying left and right with the flu, and the coronavirus, you can't do nothing about it. It's just crazy, ridiculous. I'm just giving you a little view of the Pier Bowl. Beautiful area. It's even more beautiful when there isn't thousands of people running around making noise and all that good stuff. Sorry, I'm getting myself, someday I'll break down and get a little tripod or something that I can hold the camera with. I'm learning slowly but surely. But you know, I get a lot of action with my videos. People seem to be interested. I mean, I'm trying to make them as interesting as possible. I mostly like to give it information about my travels and situation with my motorhome, RV, how we can fix that, how you can fix that. But once in a while, there's some news out there like this coronavirus that people are interested in what other people think. I mean, if you're not interested, obviously, in what I think, then I'm going to have one view. If you are, then maybe I'll get more views. But I believe that we'll get over anything. This country can get over anything. And the coronavirus is just another obstacle and a challenge that this country has ran into. And I can guarantee that we're going to take care of it, that it's not going to cause any problems. President Trump's doing a great job, just as long as we as people keep track of the things that we need to do to make it easier for everybody to get over this, whether it's social distancing yourself or taking care of yourself, whatever it is. Oh. Sorry. There are a bunch of doggies out there making some noise. It's Marmalade, Charlie, and Santiago. It's so cute. Oh, the ocean is beautiful. To get in a boat would be great to do. So, okay guys, I'm gonna let you go, sorry. Nothing much happened. I'll let you know, update you on the size and what happened with my brakes, how I got them rolling, and hopefully we'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and let others about it. I appreciate it. Have a great day.